But yeah, before we start to do those controllers, let's unbox this new tool that I got. It's from Miniware ES50 motion control electric screwdriver. I've been looking for this kind of, help, because the one thing that I hate with fixing and modding is just screwing and unscrewing all those screws. I checked some reviews, so people are saying that this is surprisingly good one, this price range. Haven't opened this yet. Well, I took it out from the postal package, but haven't opened the box itself yet. So first time using and first time seeing how it looks like in real life or with my hand, really. So let's check. So, god damn, it looks like some kind of lightsaber. What do we have here? It feels like one. What do we have under here? Oh, there are the bits. Take this out and not keep them in here. What is this? It's safety rules. Yeah. And this has a better manual. Surprising that it has a manual, because usually since nowadays a lot of stuff, a lot of the items don't have like any kind of manuals. They just say that check from this web page. Not complaining. So I think we first have to put this. Yeah, uses USB-C. While we check the manual, let's put this. Yep, loading. Loading 5 volts, 0.6 amperes. So basically the idea with this is that it has a motion sensor. It basically means that you don't really have to, choose with a button or anything like that, but just the direction that it screws. And it's compatible with 4mm hexagon and 800 bits, which is nice because you can find extra bits from anywhere else. Working time is like 6 hours. Battery charging time 50 minutes. Oh, we have to wait for 50 minutes. Yeah, torque care. Let's check. So we can see battery is loading. Or can you see? Personal button setting. So it takes basically unlock. Yeah, now we get the setting. You can change speed. Yeah. Unfortunately, you try to use widescreen lens. Maybe it doesn't make the picture so good. So I can get the setting. I can change the speed. 420 rounds per minute. Yeah. What else do we have here? Sensitivity. Impact. This has an impact mode also. Not really good when you use when you do electronics, I would say. HS. Oh, they're different. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number changes. What does it mean? Torque gear. Need to remember that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay, nice. We are gonna try this with the controllers. I just wanna see how it works. What else do we have here? Because if this is as good as people say, this is going to be like my main screwdriver in the future. Retreat. Okay. To try this out, basically there looks like a set smart motion control sensitivity. It's like how well it reads your hand movement. Speed of screwdriver, yeah. Impact. After this function is turned on, the screwdriver will make a torque impact on the screw every time tightening a screw. Yeah, it's normal. Retreat. Set anti-stack function as special for hexagon screws. Set LED lighting on off. Yeah. Set screwdriver electric backlight. Bigger number, increase brighter screen. Okay. Set beep sound as on off. So basically, let's try this. Let's take a controller and check what does this. What did this? Is this the right one? This is a good. Let's put this here. So we just there's seems to be a bit magnet here. So the idea is that you press this and you turn your hand to left, so it runs to the left, unscrews and right. Yeah. Can I showcase this to you somehow? Let's do this kind of just for just so that you can see it. There could be a better tape, but let's use this. Yeah, let's show if the widescreen lens is really good for this job. Somehow it makes the screen a bit blurry. So, let's take this tape. Copper tape, not the best idea to use a copper tape, but let's see. So basically, just put this here. So basically, it should it moves to the left, right. It goes right. Nice. It does need torque. Okay. This looks like a... Basically, wait a minute, I can... Yeah, let's do it this way. Okay, so... Let's start fixing these two PlayStation 2 controllers. So, good time to try this one. Let's take it. Okay, so it's even screwed in.
Come on, Bubba. Let's play some Bubble Bobble. Yeah!
Come on. Wrong size. Now it's wrong size. Let's take a bit smaller. Always nice. Always one body for the right size. Bit. Try this one. Some torque into it. That came out well. Not bad. Not bad at all. You just the right size. Now I just hope that the screws ain't broken. Yeah, when I learned to use this more better, I would say it's going to be a great tool. Saves time in so many ways. That was fast. Nice. Already like it. So. Yeah. So dirty. I've fixed a couple of these already, and I've seen like at least two different kind of, you know, insides. One is, let's say, it fits really well, and one was like some kind of that you had to like almost break it. Let's take that out. Oh, those can stay. It's one screw.